3, 2, 1.
James Evans, the father of 3 children on the television show Good Times, was played by which actor? The answer is C. John Amos. Which is the largest columnless church in the world? The answer is B. Milan Cathedral. Who is the Queen of Soul? The answer is A. Aretha Franklin. In Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, after getting off the Hogwarts Express, how did Harry and his fellow first-years get to the castle? The answer is D. By boat across the lake. Which of these is only a dog food brand? The answer is A. Caesar. Which of these founding fathers did not sign the Declaration of Independence? The answer is B. George Washington. What do sharks use to secrete salt to assist in osmorgulation? The answer is D. Rectal gland. Who is the actress who played Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter series? The answer is A. Emma Watson. Reproduction that doesn't involve a male gamete is also known as what? The answer is B. Agamogenesis. Molly was making iced tea by putting tea bags in boiling water. She needed to cool the hot tea quickly, so she poured it into a pitcher full of ice. Which best describes the flow of thermal energy? The answer is B. From the tea to the ice. What never asks a question but always answers one? The answer is B. Echo. Which president wrote a musical comedy? The answer is B. Calvin Coolidge. Which one of the Lord of the Rings movies won the Academy Award for Best Picture? The answer is B. The Lord of the Rings, Return of the King. Which mountain is known as the Roof of Africa?
The answer is A. Kilimanjaro.
Which season has the longest day in the Northern Hemisphere? The answer is B. Summer. What drama film, starring Scarlett Johansson as Meg Windermere, is based on Oscar Wilde's play Lady Windermere's Fan? The answer is D. A Good Woman. How long were the nails on the leather mask worn by Slipknot's member Craig? The answer is C. 6 inches. Who holds the record for most career home runs in Major League Baseball? The answer is B. Hank Aaron. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis using mRNA templates? The answer is B. Ribosome. What is used for drying dishes? The answer is B, dishwasher. What's long and yellow with keys on each end? The answer is C, piano keyboard. What does the term Homo erectus mean? The answer is A, a man who is able to stand upright. Who holds the record for fastest marathon run in a sumo wrestler's outfit? The answer is D, Yoshihiro Yashida. What happens when molten lava comes into contact with a car? The answer is C, it reaches its melting point. What is a cordless device used for sweeping floors called? The answer is A, vacuum cleaner. Which one of these pairs of a model and a Calvin Klein fragrance, advertised by the model, is correct? The answer is B, Kate Moss obsession. Who was the first woman to have a gold record? The answer is D, Judy Garland. Maria Mitchell discovered a comet in 1847 that was later named after her. Maria Mitchell's discovery contributed to which branch of science? The answer is D, astronomy. Who designed the mirrored mug for Louis Vuitton? The answer is C, Yayoi Kusama. Which element is used in MRI scans? The answer is D, hydrogen. Which one of these TV shows didn't make it to the 9th season? The answer is A, different strokes. In the bovine family, what is the male counterpart of the cow? The answer is D, bull. What is the number of electrons equal to in every electrically neutral atom? The answer is B, protons. What births live young? The answer is B, a tail having tree dweller. What is the largest website in the world by web traffic? The answer is A, Google. What is produced during the hydrogenation of vegetable oils? The answer is D, trans fatty acids. Who wrote the book 50 Shades of Grey originally as Twilight fanfiction? The answer is C, Ethel James. Which sauce is commonly used in Chinese cuisine and is made from fermented soybeans? The answer is B, soy. The activation of what kind of buds induces branching? The answer is D, axillary buds. Which social media platform has the most active users? The answer is B, Instagram. Which river flows through both India and Bangladesh? The answer is A, Ganges. Which social media platform was launched in 2010? The answer is C, Instagram. What falls roughly in the middle of the electromagnetic spectrum, having shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies than microwaves, but not as short and high as X-rays? The answer is C, light. The 24 Hours of Le Mans has been held almost every year since 1923. The race was cancelled from 1940 to 1948 due to WW2, and in what other year? The answer is A, 1936. Which item is used for brewing coffee? The answer is B, espresso machine. What kitchen item helps with stirring soup or pasta? The answer is A, spoon. What is the literal meaning of the biblical name Jeremiah? The answer is B, Jehovah exalts. What's a baseball player's throwing tool called? The answer is A, glove. Which of the following is formed immediately after fertilization?
The answer is C, zygote.
What is the name of the Japanese tea ceremony?